Hello and welcome to the ClearPlex installation video. First, on behalf of ClearPlex Corporation, let me thank you for adding ClearPlex Invisible Windshield Protection Film to your business. ClearPlex is a patent-pending invisible windshield protection film that has been designed to cover and protect your customer's windshield, dramatically reducing the occurrences of rock chips, pits, bullseyes, stars, and other problems that occur with everyday road debris hitting the windshield. The UV inhibitors will also protect the vehicle's interior as well as your customer. Well, this video will take you through the step-by-step procedures for installing the ClearPlex Invisible Windshield Protection Film. First, before we get started on the installation, I'd like to show you what tools you'll be using for the installation. You'll need a good spray bottle filled with slip agent. Madico recommends their 31-1 solution. However, if that's not available, a mild soap and water solution will also work. We'll be using several squeegees as well. The Conqueror squeegee, the Younger handle with an angled clear max blade, and a Teflon edge tool. You also need a 3-inch auto scraper with stainless steel blade, a stainless steel knife, tape measure, heat gun, paper towels, and a tool apron to keep your tools close at hand. The vehicle we will be using today for the installation of the ClearPlex Invisible Windshield Protection Film is a 2001 BMW 525i. We will also be using one person and using the reverse roll method to remove the release liner. The first step is to clean and inspect the windshield. The cleaning is crucial to a successful installation. Spray the windshield with a warm water and soap solution. The slip agent from Madico is recommended as it does not contain any additional chemicals that could cloud over time. Wipe the windshield with your hand, feeling for any imperfections. Next, use your 3-inch auto scraper to remove any dirt, bugs, or debris by scraping the windshield. Be sure to have enough cleaning solution to avoid scratching the windshield. Pay special attention around the molding for any buildup of debris. Using a paper towel, wipe around the window molding to remove any debris. Extra care should be taken around the moldings for excess debris. Also, cleaning the roofline above the windshield will keep debris from running down during the installation. Next, using the Younger handle with the angled clear max blade, squeegee to remove the cleaning solution and debris. Squeegee from the bottom center, up and toward the outside edge of the windshield. Spray the windshield again with the solution. To select the correct ClearPlex Invisible Windshield Protection Film for the vehicle to be protected, measure the windshield's width and length. This will ensure for the proper film selection. After selecting the film width, you will need pull the film firmly out of the box and measure for length. Roll the film, taking care not to crease it. Cut it from the roll. Place the invisible windshield protection film with the release liner down on the windshield to ensure the proper part size has been selected. Next, trim the film to the outside edge of the windshield with the stainless steel knife. Make sure you are using a stainless steel blade and not a regular steel blade, as a regular steel blade may chip or scratch the glass surface. Wet the ClearPlex film with the slip agent. using a squeegee to gently remove the water from the center of the film. Stretch the film to each side. Then work any fingers from the sides to the top and bottom of the film. Try to create smaller, evenly spaced fingers across the top and bottom of the film. The film will shrink better on the top and bottom rather than on the sides. Very small fingers will lie down on the sides. Remember, it is easier to shrink many small fingers rather than a few large ones. First, cover the Conqueror squeegee's hard edge with a paper towel. This will protect the film from scratching during the shrinking process. Starting at the top edge of the center of the windshield, carefully apply heat with a heat gun to warm the ClearPlex Invisible Windshield Protection film and start the shrinking process. The heat gun we are using is a Milwaukee variable temperature with the setting turned to high. Once the outside edge lays flat, you can then shrink the body of the finger. Moving the finger from side to side will also help the film lie down. Pulling moisture up from the center of the windshield will help you see if the film will lie down. Here our installer shows the edge how it should look. When finished, your ClearPlex Invisible Windshield Protection film should lie on the windshield without any wrinkles or folds. Remember to angle your blade toward the center of the windshield as you cut. Using the stainless steel knife, trim the excess invisible windshield protection film to approximately 1/4 inch of the windshield's outside edge. Spray the film with the solution. Remove the invisible windshield protection film from the windshield. Roll the film up and note which side you started from. We recommend that you always work from the same side. Unroll the film with the release liner up. Locate the release liner on the invisible windshield protection film. With your finger, or if needed, use a piece of tape at one corner. Pull back the liner. Gently pull back the release liner, spraying as you go. Lay the liner back down on the film. Do the same procedure on the other side. Spraying the film and liner with the slip agent will stop the creation of static electricity. Removal of the release liner creates a static charge which attracts dirt and dust. Try to avoid coming in contact with the adhesive. Roll the film and remove. Clean the windshield one last time. Remember to pay special attention to the edges. Squeegee again from the center, up and towards the outside edge. Spray the windshield again with your slip agent. Wash the edges with a liberal amount of solution from the top to the bottom. Too much slip agent is not possible. Too little slip agent may cause a difficult or failed installation. Locate the release liner and pull back to expose the adhesive. Unroll the film on the windshield with the adhesive side down. The release liner should now be on the top of the film. Try not to touch the adhesive. Gently remove the release liner. Position the invisible windshield protection film onto the windshield. Check for proper alignment of the film. Check your edges for a proper fit. Gently slide the film from top to bottom and side to side as needed. Use the younger handle with the ClearMax blade to remove the slip agent and trapped air that is between the invisible windshield protection film and the windshield. Starting at the center of the windshield, draw a vertical line toward the top and bottom to hold the invisible windshield protection film in place. Next, squeegee from the middle of the windshield to the outside edge. Continue using upward and downward strokes, working from the center to each side of the windshield. Spray additional slip agent on the outside of the invisible windshield protection film. This will act as a lubricant until the squeegee process is completed. This will also reduce the possibility of scratches from the squeegee. Continue working from the center, pushing the water out to the edges until all the air bubbles and slip agent is removed. It is desirable to remove as much of the slip agent as possible before the adhesive becomes fully tacked. If a small amount of moisture becomes trapped, it will evaporate through the invisible windshield protection film over the next few days. The pressure on the squeegee blade is hundreds of times higher than the pressure of a typical wiper blade. Wrap the Conqueror squeegee with a paper towel and go over the edges of the film. Heating the edges will also ensure a proper bond. If any moisture pockets are found near the edges, use the Teflon squeegee to push them out. Use a soft cloth and cleaner to remove any dirt or fingerprints from the invisible windshield protection film. The ClearPlex invisible windshield protection film installation is now complete.